still one of the world's most geologically active places. Here, Mike Benton is researching the terrible impact even a small flood basalt could have.
We're here in the middle of a lava field in Laki in Iceland, because this is a very well-documented historical basalt eruption and acts as a good analogy for the Siberian traps. In 1783, a vent eruption happened here, which lasted for about 8 months.
This 18th century incident offers a unique insight into a flood basalt's devastating power. Over 8 months, the Laki event ravaged southern Iceland. But it was tiny compared to the Siberian eruptions. Even so, it was a disaster.
Volcanoes produce 3 things. The lava is one, that will kill things locally, but it produces ash and, most importantly, gas. Now, the lava goes a relatively short distance, the ash will go further, flying through the air, but what really kills are the gases.
The Laki eruption produced huge quantities of sulfur dioxide, a gas which has a deadly impact on the environment. Mixing it with water creates sulfuric acid, which falls to Earth as acid rain.
Has a terrible effect, as was recorded by the people at Laki, where they reported that it burned people's eyeballs, it made it hard for them to breathe because it congested their lungs. Livestock suffered lesions and burning of their skin, and plants were killed off.
The whole food chain began to collapse. And that was just the start. Some of the sulfuric acid didn't fall back to Earth. It stayed in the atmosphere in small droplets. These reflected sunlight away from the planet, cooling its surface.
The cooling following the Laki eruption was catastrophic. It killed more people than the immediate damage by sulfuric acid. It created very cold winters for 2 or 3 years after the eruption. Not just in Iceland, but throughout much of northern Europe, people reported crop failures as a result.
Benton's analysis of the Laki eruption has shown that the cooling produced by volcanic sulfur dioxide is deadly. And the effects can be felt thousands of miles away. Imagine how devastating the Siberian traps must have been. Laki spewed out gas and lava for 8 months and covered an area of about 200 square miles in molten rock. But the Siberian traps erupted for nearly 500,000 years. They produced almost 3 million square miles of lava. That's 200,000 times larger than Laki. Using Laki as a model, Benton can begin to reconstruct the chain of events